How to turn off the Temu text and notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you do not want to receive any notifications from Temu, first of all tap open your application. Once you do so, log in using your credentials, and once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom of the page. After that, you'll see a sub-page like this. Now tap on settings which is on the top right. Now here you should see notifications option. Tap on it. Hereby you will see different kinds of notifications and options. Make sure to tap on edit on every and then turn off the notifications. To turn off, you'll just have to toggle it off or change it to turn off option. While doing so, make sure that you turn it off for the text as well as other push notifications. Once you do so, your notification should be turned off. Another way could be long press the Temu app, go to app info and go to notifications and toggle it off. This way also you will not receive any notification. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.